to my channel. Today I'll be making beef in oyster sauce. First step is marinating the beef. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, dash of pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix all the ingredients very well. Cover, then marinate for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. Here are the ingredients. 1 pound marinated beef, 2 pieces sweet peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, baby bok choy, red onion, 3 tablespoon oyster sauce, First, heat the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté garlic until golden brown. Now that it's golden brown, set aside the garlic flakes. Next, sauté sweet peppers for 30 seconds. Set aside. Next step is sauté the onion rings. After 30 seconds, we can now add the marinated beef. Cover and cook on medium heat until beef is tender. Stir occasionally until the liquid evaporates. At this point, the beef is already tender. We can now add the oyster sauce. Next, add the sautéed sweet peppers. Then the rest of the onion rings. Mix all together and cook for a minute. For our side dish, let's cook the bok choy. Boil 2 cups of water. Put the bok choy in the pot. Cook for a minute or 2 and avoid overcooking. After 2 minutes, we can now remove it from the water. We are ready for plating. Last step, garnish with garlic flakes. Okay guys, this is it. I'm gonna pick one. Let's reveal what's next. Oh my goodness. Bulalo guys. Next video is... Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.